Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and put on the notification button. The announcement of the US crypto strategic reserve by President Trump. Trump has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. The reserve, which will include major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, SOL, XRP, and Cardano, ADA, aims to position the US as the crypto capital of the world. The immediate impact of this news has been a significant surge in the prices of the mentioned cryptocurrencies. Within hours of the announcement, XRP's price soared by 32%, SOL increased by 23%, and ADA skyrocketed by over 63%. This sudden price hike is a clear indication of the market's positive response to the news. The creation of the US crypto strategic reserve is expected to have several long-term implications. Increased adoption. The reserve's inclusion of major cryptocurrencies will likely lead to increased adoption and mainstream acceptance of digital assets. Regulatory clarity. The Trump administration's support for the cryptocurrency industry may lead to clearer regulations and guidelines, providing a more stable environment for investors and businesses. Economic growth. The reserve's focus on positioning the US as a leader in the cryptocurrency space may attract investments, create jobs, and contribute to economic growth. Global impact. The US crypto strategic reserve may set a precedent for other countries to follow, potentially leading to a global shift in the way governments approach cryptocurrency regulation and adoption. However, it's essential to note that the creation of the reserve is still in its early stages, and the specifics of its implementation and management are yet to be determined. As the situation unfolds, it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to any changes in the cryptocurrency market.